Hey, this is CryptoCruz with CoinFinancial once again, bringing you another market update. Again, if you like this type of content, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you'll get up to date to the latest videos I upload. Now here we go. Today I have something special for y'all for the XRP Army. All right, we will be talking about Ripple today and the potential gains, the realistic targets, realistic potential gains that it could have. All right, but first I do want to update y'all about what's going on in Bitcoin. Just a quick short update. What I have here is the daily chart on Bitcoin. Right, if we zoom in, everything is still have that bullish divergence on the MACD, the RSI, but everything still having bullish divergence on the daily chart, so it's looking good. About 7 days ago, I created a video. It was around this time right here when I said what we're looking at is to separate from this white line, and that's exactly what we did. We separated from the white line and we actually closed 3 consecutive candle. Even though it's red, it was still 3 consecutive full body candle that's not touching the white line at all. And that was the confirmation that I was looking for us to break out away from that white line and go up. And sure enough, that is exactly what we did today, starting this morning. That is exactly what we did. And part of the reason, again, my motto is, I got this from self-made millionaire Bernard Baruch. Probably butchered his last name, but his motto is, show me the charts and I'll tell you the news. Right? So I knew there was good news coming because of what's happening here, and knew we had a higher probability that it was gonna go up. So the good news was our inflation data. Right? Our inflation data is decreasing. Right? It's lower, and it was lower than what people were anticipating. So the price spiked up today. Right? We went all the way up to actually 18,000. If we zoom in more, right? Look at that. It went all the way up to 18,000. But for my video 7 days ago, my target, if that played out, when we separate from the white line and it plays out the way we were anticipating, my target is 18,500. So right now we're at 18,000. What I'm seeing here, maybe we might form a bull flag. It's not shown yet. It doesn't look like a solid bull flag just yet. We'll wait a little bit longer to see how it forms. But I am anticipating that this move is not over yet. I would like to see us create a little bull flag here to continue our move up to target to 18,005. The reason is, if this does create a bull flag, this flagpole right here, if you copy and paste the length of this flagpole to the breakout of the bull flag right here, if it creates a bull flag, that target breakout on the bull flag is the target I talked about 7 days ago, which is 18,500, around there. So that's what we're looking at right now. Everything's looking good with Bitcoin. Everything's looking pretty bullish. Higher probability of us looking very bullish right now than us going down to 13K, right? So that's enough of Bitcoin right there. I just want to give you a short update on that. Everything's looking good. Now with the XRP, right? XRP news. Okay, the SEC and Ripple case is rumored to end. They're having a settlement on what's that, the 16th, the 15th, December 15th, right? And the person who actually pretty much released this news was Charles Hoskinson, the creator of Cardano, right? So he's saying that founder of Cardano, Charles Hoskinson, he's saying that the pretty much there's going to be a settlement on December 15. Now, whether that settlement, what it's going to be, we don't know. Hopefully, best case scenario, they drop everything. Ripple is fined, and they just pay the fine and get a slap in the wrist, and that will be great news for the whole crypto market, because obviously pretty much the SEC didn't win if that was to happen, right? Um, so the reason I'm rooting for Ripple is right now Ripple is actually battling for the whole crypto market. Why? Because if Ripple actually wins this case, right, that means that it proves they've proven to the SEC that they are not a security. So that will actually give, pretty much, what's that word I'm looking for? Uh, a, confidence. It'll give confidence to all these other altcoins, right? Because the SEC will have a much harder time targeting these other altcoins, as far as, considering them as a security. So that's why I'm rooting for Ripple. And also, obviously, if Ripple wins this case, the price is gonna shoot up. Now, I want to give you a realistic target on what's to come in the near future. And guys, I'm not even gonna like sugarcoat it, right? It's not gonna be a small move either, right? It looks like it's gonna be a huge move. What it is I'm talking about 100 to 200% gain, right? I'm not saying it's gonna happen within a week or 2 weeks, but still, my short term is a few months. To me, that's short term. I've been in this space for a while, so to me, that's short term. But 100 to 200 gains, I mean, heck, crazier things have happened in crypto. Maybe we do spike up within a week 100%. That is very possible. I've seen it happen. I've seen Ripple do it before. Within a few days to a week, Ripple has gone over 100%. So let's look at the charts now. We're gonna go to Ripple chart, and again, full disclosure, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Anything I say is just for educational and entertainment purposes only. This is all my opinion. Full disclosure down below, okay? Always do your own research, all right? So I have a long-term pattern here that I see. If I go on the weekly chart, that orange triangle right there, it is a descending triangle. Usually that is pretty bearish, right? But I do see more bullish sign though. The only bearish sign I see here is the descending triangle. More often it does break to the downside, but there's still that 30 to 40% chance it usually breaks to the upside, right? Cement descending triangle, like 60% of the time breaks to the downside, right? Ascending triangle, 60% of the time breaks to the upside, right? So we still have a pretty big chance, 30 to 40% break into the up. The what I like to see here is actually the RSI. All right, it's having somewhat of a bullish divergence. The MACD is gradually going up against this side, somewhat of a sideways movement right here. All right, another bullish sign that I see. So we are getting squeezed. All right, we either break down or up, or we get squeezed out of it. If we get squeezed out of it, we usually follow the line that's going down, whether it be below this line we go down, or above this line and then we go down. The more bullish indicator is if we go down above this line to just go up, right? So now, if we don't get squeezed out of this, if we break down or up, that's what we're about to look at. So if we go zoom in to the 4-hour chart, I have this another descending triangle. But like I said, nothing is ever guaranteed. It's just probabilities, and the probability of us breaking up on a descending triangle is still 30-40% chance. And look, that is exactly what is happening on this little candle, right? Little descending triangle, right? We have actually broken out above it, right? If we go to the 1-day chart, as you can see, we've broken out above it. So what is our target on this? So what is our target on this descending triangle that's just broken out? What we need to see is this candle right here, which is right now red. What I'd like to see there is I'd like to close. This is on the daily chart. We have 18 hours left on this candle to close. What we need to do is for 18 hours, hold above this white line right here and close above it. That will confirm that we have broken out of this descending triangle. And when that happens, my target is the top of this descending triangle, which is right around, I'm just gonna draw a symmetrical line, right? Not symmetrical, horizontal line right here. Okay, there you go. So the target is 41.9 cents. Okay, so now we are right here. Tomorrow or the next candle, if we break all the way up there, look where it's gonna be at. It's gonna be slightly above that orange line, which is our bigger descending triangle, right? So it gives us more hope, and the probability, maybe it's going to be 40-45% probability that we do break to the upside because of all the bullish signals that I'm seeing here. Okay, and with that said, the probability of Ripple actually winning this case and just getting a slap on the wrist is pretty high, and that is what the chart's telling me right now, even if we do have these descending triangle. So now, with that said, if we do play out and break above it and Ripple wins, what is gonna be our target? Okay, all right, so what will be our target? Let me fix my chart. We are gonna go to my coin market cap right here. Right now we are at 39. I'm gonna give you a crash course on realistically how to rate and figure out a realistic target of what it could possibly be. Right now we're at 39 cents. All right, so how do we get that price anyways? 39 cents, right? It's very simple math. I'm gonna open my calculator. All right, this is the fun part. So now we go look at the market cap. 19,000 no, what's that? Million billion. That's 19. So the market cap right now of XRP is 19.7 billion, right? And the circulating supply is 50.3. Let's just round that up and let's say it's 50.4 billion XRP is in circulation. All right, so how do we get this price right here, the 39.1 cent price? You simply take the market cap. All right, you simply take the market cap of 19,702.3. You know what? It changed. It went to 4. How about let's just do this? I'm gonna round up the 2 to a 3. 19,703 billion. 19,703 million. All right, that's the market cap in dollars. And then we divide that by the circulating supply of 50.4. We're rounding up. 50.4 billion. 50.4 billion. And look where the price is. Market cap divided by circulating supply equals 39.09 cents. Look at our price. 39.09 cents. Ain't that crazy? That is exactly how we get the price. You can do that with any altcoin. You can do that with Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever. Have fun calculating it. Go to coinmarketcap.com. That's where we're at. And then you can find all this information, and that is how you get the price of a coin. All right. I don't do none of this. Oh, Ripple is going to $100. No, I'm here. I'm doing it realistically. We are going to do it what the numbers tell us to do, right? What the number is telling us is right now we're at 39.09 cents. And what could possibly be the price of Ripple? How do we figure that out? Check this out. This is interesting right here. I'm not making any of this up. Everything here is just in the chart. I'm going to make this bigger again. What is our first? Our first major resistance is 60. What is our next major resistance? Right? Let's look at our next actual major resistance here. Right? I'm just going to draw a trend line again. Right? Here we go. Where are we? Oh no, that's not a trend line that I want. Horizontal line. Horizontal line. We are looking at a lot of touch points. And a lot of touch, oh, it's right around here. What price is that? That is around 80 cents. There. That is around 80 cents. Okay. How do I delete that other one? Jesus Christ. I didn't want that other one. Okay. It's still, why is it still there? All right. All right. So, around 80 cents. That's a huge, yeah, look at that. That is a huge support line right there, right? What is going to be the next one? Let's just draw one more horizontal line, okay? What is going to be our next one? $1.22. $1.21 right there. You see all that touch point? Can you clearly see that? Look. Boom. Wick down a little bit right there. All these candles right there with the wicks in the full body ending there, right there, right there. So now we have this around the 80 cents and $1.21, right? Now let's go back to our coin market cap. Where is XRP at? We are ranked at number 6, right? Market cap 19 billion, 19.6 billion. What is the next one? Rank number 5 is BNB, and its market cap is 43.9 billion. All right. That's just XRP was at rank number 2 at one point. Now, I'm not saying it's going to be ranked number 2 here in the near future, right? But at least beat BNB, right? It was actually ranked number 2, number 3, you know, back in 2017, I believe, you know, in that bull market, right? But right now it's ranked number 6. And the reason for that, one of the biggest reason for that is because of the SEC lawsuit. Now, if they win the lawsuit, they're going to skyrocket. A lot of people's going to buy back in. Imagine all of these exchanges going to be relisting XRP. It has a potential to overthrow BNB at the number 5 spot. And in order to overthrow BNB at the number 5 spot, it has to reach a market cap of more than what BNB has. That's just the facts. I'm not making that up. That is the facts. In order to overthrow BNB, Ripple needs to reach 43.9 billion. Actually, it needs to go above 43.9 billion. Now let's just look at that. Let's go back again. Ripple's circulating supply is 50.4. We're rounding up. Okay. BNB's So we're gonna take BNB's market cap, right? 4, 3, 9, 3. Let's just round up 2, and then 0 to the rest. All right, we're rounding up. Divided by, we're rounding up on this too, Ripple's market cap. Again, this is based on if Ripple beats BNB at number 5, Ripple will have to be at around $43.9 billion in market cap, divided by circulating supply of XRP, 50.4 or 50.4, and then the rest, 50 billion. Look at our price, guys. 87 cents. Where was our target here? About 80 cents. Not making that up. We're so close, right? So what is our measurement move on that? From here to 80 cents or 87 cents. Look at that. That's about 120% gain at 87 cents. Right? Even at 80 cents, it will be 100% gain. Okay? Now let's go back to our coin market cap again. And then let's just say, right? It's not going to beat Ethereum anytime soon. We all know that. It's not going to beat Ethereum. But with the Tether FUD and a lot of people selling out Tether, going to USDC, right? Converting to USDC. Don't know what the heck is going on with Tether, or USDC, but there's a lot of controversy around that right now. What if Ripple overthrows Tether and USDC and becomes at number 3 coin alongside with Ethereum and Bitcoin? Ripple becomes number 3. What is the market cap of Tether? 65.7 billion. Now let's take our calculator again and calculate that. 65.7 billion. I even rounded down, right? I didn't even round up. 65.7 billion divided by the circulating supply of 50.4 billion. Guess where we're at? $1.30, right? Just curious, what if we do round up, 8. Still the same thing. $1.30, all right? And where's our target here? $1.20. Where is $1.30? $1.30 would be, oh, why am I moving my thing now? Anyways, $1.30 would be right around here. Okay, it's still at around that support line. So $1.20 to $1.30. Not making that up, right? And we drew this line before we even calculated everything. Okay, so now measurement move. How big is that? From where we are now, right here, all the way up to $1.20. 200%. $1.30. 225% gain. I'll just put that right there. So at $1.20 target, it's a 200% gain from where we are now, right? And that is very possible within a few weeks to a month. Just spikes up all the way there. I mean, I'll take the 100% at 80 cents. That one is very doable. Within a week, 2 weeks, 80 cents after this lawsuit ends. Yeah, that would be crazy. But that's what I'm anticipating. Hopefully it plays out the way I'm doing it, right? But everything is looking pretty good. As Ripple has a really good chance of winning this case. The chart and everything is telling us, hey, it's very possible for us to get 100 to 200% gain in the near future with XRP. All right, that's for the XRP army. Enjoy this information, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you like this type of content. Okay, until next time, guys, thank you very much for your support. Bye.